Here comes Hedman. Hedman rink wide to Kucherov. Puck hop off his stick, and Anaheim turns it back the other way. Gruen in the middle. Getting up there is Vaakanainen, and rebound. Glove saved by Vasilevsky on the follow-up attempt by Gruen.
It started with the turnover on the offensive side of things. Kucherov on the attack. Anaheim turns the puck over. Now Perbix goes to the outside, and then when the puck goes deep, he doesn't stay with his man in front of the net. Anaheim stays with it because the pass comes off of Vasilevsky. Vasilevsky has to do his job and stop the puck on the short side.